Hey guys, welcome back to Living Gratefully. Today I'm waiting for my internet provider to show up. We have been out of internet since midnight last night and I can't work, I can't watch Netflix, I can't watch YouTube. So I figured I'd do a little decluttering. So I want to clean out this cabinet right here, which is where we keep our coffee mugs. We've been really addicted to or enjoying our coffee mugs. Every morning we have our coffee and we have like a little variety going, but there are some that we're not using and we like to buy new ones. So I want to go ahead and declutter that cabinet and kind of reorganize it a little bit. So let's go ahead and get started. So here are a few mugs that we don't use very often, and then I thought we have some room up here. We don't use this stuff very often either. So I thought maybe I could clear this out a little bit and use and put the older mugs that we don't use very often, but we still want to keep up here. We already got rid of a few and gave those to Goodwill. And then here are some of our favorites that we're keeping. These are new from Kirkland's that we just picked up recently. And in the dishwasher here, it's my favorite one. Is down here. So cute. So yeah, all of our favorites will go, you know, in reach here, and then some of the ones we want to keep but don't use as often will go here. Some of this stuff that we don't use hardly ever or ever, we can either get rid of or move it up there. And this container right here is something that I love. Squeaks when you pull it out, but I do love this container. It has my stirrers that I use every single day in there, and then when we have company, Nana likes to have her powdered creamer, and then she also likes the pink packets, so Sweet and Low. So I like to have that stuff for her. I use these every day. But what's great is you can just pull this whole thing out. It has a handle. This I think I got from Big Lots several years ago, and I really enjoyed that. So I'll keep that, but maybe just reorganize everything else up there. All right, let's go.
Can I get your number, baby? I'll give you mine if you give me yours. Can I call tomorrow, maybe? Ooh, I'm feeling down, so can you be my cure? Say, can I get yours? Can I get yours? Say, can I get yours?
Okay, y'all saw where I found 2 boxes of stirrers. So decluttering is a great time to find extra stock of inventory that you forgot you had. And I'm also finding all kinds of stuff we used to use with our old coffee maker. So this is a great opportunity to throw some things out or donate them since we forgot we had them and we're not using them. Okay, I'm just going to give this a good wipe out. Get rid of some of those coffee granules. Clean that up a little bit. Put everything back.
Waste too much time with you on my mind. I just wanna call you. Please stay on the line so I don't waste more time. Say, can I get yours? Can I get yours? Say, can I get yours? Can I get yours?
I'm going to get the rest of our mugs, the clean mugs, out of the dishwasher and add them. And this isn't really a huge project. It's just one cabinet, but it's something you can do while you're waiting on the internet company to show up. So I hope this motivates you to clean out a drawer or a cabinet, declutter something. It always feels good when you're done. Okay, this is somewhat done, but I want to get another container to put the extra coffee pods in and go to the store and get more green tea and put that in a nice container. And here's some stuff that we can get rid of. These mugs used to be my absolute favorite. They're from a set I bought at Walmart around 2006, and I loved that set so much, but we're loving the bigger coffee mugs now, so I finally decided to get rid of them. Someone at Goodwill will appreciate and love them. I can dump this old coffee. There's no telling how old this is because we haven't had our regular coffee maker in so long. Thank you guys so much for watching today's decluttering video. Be sure you're subscribed for more decluttering and organizing videos. I have a lot of great content to share with you. The next video will be my pantry reorganization, and I love how that turned out, and I know you will love it too. So we'll see you then. I love you guys. Bye.